people are going to be adopting Salesforce service. So many cases. Now let's see. Salesforce offers three classifications of services. Three classifications of services. What are those three classifications? First one, software as a service. Second one, platform as a service.
Infrastructure.
Third one,
Infrastructure.
infrastructure as a service. Now, as part of this course, I will be covering all these three parts also. Okay, I will be covering all these three parts. Ready-made softwares also, how to build our own custom applications by using platform also, how to manage our data through infrastructure also. All these three parts we are going to cover as part of this. Okay, now. So now here in this case, Salesforce offers three classifications of services: SaaS and the platform and the infrastructure. Now, let me give the full form of this SaaS. SaaS stands for software as a service. Second one, platform as a service. Third one, infrastructure as a service. So these are the three classifications of services offered by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis. So whatever the services offered by Salesforce, these services will be available to each and every customer on rental basis. Now, suppose for example, come to a small scenario. Assume that in my system, I don't have MS Office. Okay, I don't have MS Office here. Now, I want to prepare some business related documents like my business proposals, quotations, orders, contracts, invoices, the various documentations I want to prepare, and the various presentations I want to prepare so that I can give some demo to my customers also. So now tell me, without installing this MS Office inside my local system, can you prepare some documentations and presentations, all these things? No, we can't do that. So now tell me in this case what needs to be done. First of all, install the MS Office into your local system. Then only we can use those tools. We can build your own documents and then presentations, whatever you want. Now tell me, will the MS Office is available on free? No. MS Office is not a free software from Microsoft. MS Office is purely available on license based. We have to buy the license by investing the huge amount. Buy the license of this MS Office by contacting Microsoft or Microsoft partners and then get that software, install the software inside the local system. Then only we can use that software tools to prepare your own effective documentations and the presentations. That means, so whatever the softwares that we have in IT industry right now, those always requires installation. The two, we need to buy the license. But Salesforce is purely offering each and every feature to you as a service, which we can take it on rental basis. We no need to buy the license, take it on rental basis. Okay, it's purely rental available. This each and every resource will be available to you on rental basis. Okay, now. So in this case, so we'll see what will be the rental cost of each and every resource. We'll see one by one when moving forward. Okay, now. Let's see. The first one, software as a service. Now tell me, what do you mean by a software? What do you mean by a software? Software in the sense, you are using so many softwares every day in your personal PC.
It's a collection of applications.
What exactly is software? Every day are you using operating system or not? Antivirus softwares are not? MS Office are not? Some media players are not to play some audio, video, songs and everything? Yes. Now, then what exactly is software now?
It's a collection of code. Code which is written by the developer so that it can perform a particular task to the particular customer and make that person's life easy.
Right. Exactly. Now, for example, I have Microsoft Paint. It's a paint application. It's a software. So what it contains, Microsoft Paint is a ready-made software which contains so many features available inside it. It provides so many features which are used to draw something, which are used to design something, which are used to represent something. So that if you want to design your own pictures, your own designs, then we can go with the help of Microsoft Paint. So Microsoft Paint is a ready-made software which contains a group of features to design your own pictures and the images, whatever you want. Now, for example, we are having Microsoft Word. So Word is a ready-made software which contains so many features to prepare your own documentations. In order to prepare some effective documentations, whatever the features are required, all are available here. Like the similar way, when coming to the software, software is nothing but a ready-made application which contains a group of features which we can use to automate our business processes. In order to store your business related data, in order to automate your business processes, whatever the features are required, all the features will be available in the form of ready made. So those are called as software. So software is nothing but a ready made application. It's a pre-built application which contains a group of features which we can use to automate our business processes. Now, so in this case here, software as a service, that means what? Whatever the softwares that we have, whatever the ready-made applications that we have in IT industry, if that software is exactly suits to your business, then you can take that software as a service. That means we can utilize that software on rental basis. We no need to buy the software license. We no need to do the huge investment. We can take them as a service. As a service means what? We can take it on rental basis. So we can take some ready-made softwares as a service. That means on rental basis. With the help of this SaaS feature, with the help of SaaS feature, we can take some ready-made softwares on rental basis. Okay, understood the concept here? Whenever we are utilizing some ready-made software on rental basis, then it is called as software as a service. Okay, clear? Now, let's see. Let me give the note point here. By using SaaS features, we can take the ready-made applications on rental basis. By using SaaS features, we can take the ready-made applications on rental basis. Now, so now in this case here, as part of Salesforce, what ready-made software Salesforce offers to their customers on rental basis? Anyone? The people who have attended my demo session. Salesforce CRM. So as part of SaaS, Salesforce is providing a ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM. Salesforce CRM. Salesforce offers a ready-made application, a ready-made software called as Salesforce CRM, which can be utilized by the customers to automate our business processes. And this application can be accessible just with the help of browser and the internet access by paying the rental amount to that Salesforce.com organization. Okay, now. So in this case, let's see what exactly this is Salesforce CRM and what is the terminology of this Salesforce CRM. Now let me digging into the concept here. Okay, now. So let's digging into the concept now. What exactly CRM? What a CRM stands for? Why this Salesforce CRM is in huge demand right now in the market here? And what we can do with the help of this Salesforce CRM? And then what terminology we are going to use? Okay, now let's see. Now, let's see what exactly Salesforce CRM. Now, tell me here, what do you mean by CRM? CRM stands for what?
Customer
Relationship
relationship
management.
management. Relationship
Now,
management.
customer relationship management.
Management.
CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Then what is Customer Relationship Management? What is Customer Relationship Management?
Interact with
Know,
clients.
knowing
To
the,
manage the
knowing their
customer needs.
requirements,
The requirement
Okay.
of the customers.
knowing their business requirements.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Hmm.
you
Organization.
buy
Okay.
some
Right.
product,
Hmm.
okay. You go to
Remove it.
Flipkart. Hello?
Now,
Yeah.
let's see.
You go to,
So what exactly this is CRM? Now let me explain, okay, each and every process and what we can do with the help of the Salesforce CRM. Now let's see. And that too, why do we need to go for Salesforce CRM? Even though we are having so many other CRM applications, let's see one by one. Now, basically, for every organization or for every business, okay, customer is the base. Customer is the god for every organization. It may be a small organization also. It may be a very big MNC also. For every organization, customer is the base. Customer is a god for every organization. Because without the customer, we can't run the business. We can't sell out the products. We can't generate the revenue. We can't get the profits. So that customer is the base for every organization. It may be a small hotel also. It may be very big MNC also. For every organization, customer is the base. Without the customer, we can't run the business. So in this case, as an organization, it is our responsibility whenever we have captured a new customer by selling out the products, we have to maintain a proper association with the customer. We have to collect the customer's data. We have to store somewhere inside my local organization because in future, if we require, I can communicate with my customer also. I can communicate with my customer also. I can collect some feedback also from my customer. Based on the feedback, we can do some quality products to my customers as well. So in this case here, always we should be interacting with the customers here. It's our responsibility of the organization. So not only selling out the product, not only selling out the product, always we should be in touch with the customer. We have to maintain a proper relationship with our customers. So now here in this case, whenever if you want to automate your customers' data at one place, whenever if you want to automate, if you want to store all your existing customers and the new customers' data at one place, we are using a ready-made application. We want a software to store all our customers' data. So now in this case, now tell me, can't we store my customers' data inside my Notepad application? Can't we store my customers' data inside my Excel sheet? Yes, we can store the data also. But the problem is, if I'm storing my customers' data inside this Excel sheet or inside a Notepad document, these two are file systems. These are purely files. So Notepad is a file, Excel sheet is a file. So file systems won't provide the much security for your data. Suppose today I'm creating a notepad. In this notepad, today I have stored all my customers' data. Tomorrow, somebody will use my system. Once a double click on the file will get opened. Other people can see my customers' data also. They can modify my customers' data. They can delete my customers' data and they can do some malfunctioning also. So there is no proper security. And the two, if my system has been attacked with some virus, then I will be formatting my system. Whenever I'm formatting my system, whole files will be getting deleted. So automatically my customers' data will be lost. So for every organization, for every business, data is asset. Data is asset for the organization. Data is asset for the business. Losing the data means losing the customer, losing the business, losing the revenue, losing the profit, losing the credibility in the market also. So for that reason, as an organization, it is my responsibility. I need to collect my customers' data. I need to store somewhere which provides more security, which provides permanent storage of my customers' data. Because without my customers' data, I can't run the business here. So in this case, what is that safe place? What is that application where we can store all our customers' data, where we can automate all our customers' interactions at one place? For that one, we are using the help of the applications called as customer relationship management. So, customer relationship management is a application which provides all the facilities to automate all your customers' data at one place. He may be an existing customer who is utilizing your product since very long time, or he may be a new customer